I've been having this problem with my bike this winter where the throttle cable is freezing up on me. Like I could be leaving the house in the morning and it seems alright, but by the time I hit the main road, it actually freezes open. So I let go of the throttle and the bike's still going full speed. So you gotta just turn it off and like abandon the thing till it thaws out. It's no good. I went and replaced the throttle cable. I tried to put some hot glue around it to maybe keep the water out. But I think it was coming in from inside the side there. It's like very exposed where that white piece is right where the cable goes and everything. So I went ahead and designed this piece to go on there using a 3D scanner to scan the bike handle. So this is just a 3D model of the bike basically with the one piece pulled back a little bit. It really helped a lot. I was hoping to like use it to cut a piece, but it didn't really work that way because the model's kind of incomplete. But it was good enough to just measure everything like super good. Except I didn't get the screw holes. The one screw hole totally was missing. I kind of guessed on it and got the wrong spot, so I had to readjust that. I also had to readjust the size. The initial size I made it was like a little too tight. You'll see here I use like this one. It's a called Boolean operation in Blender to like cut one cylinder with the other cylinder, so it makes it hollow like that. I wound up having to do that a little thicker, so to have a little more clearance around that grip there, like I was just looking at there. Yeah, I didn't go and show the whole process. I just skipped around a little bit here to show you the idea of how we designed that. Well, it's basically just a cylinder with an extra piece with some holes in it to attach it. I wound up just mounting it with the one screw hole. I should have made a 3D scan of the screw holes so that I could have made like a recessed piece. I wound up just shoving a bunch of those washers inside the hole. That wound up fixing the problem I had. If you didn't do that, it would wound up just grinding the screw through the TPU piece. Now, this is the original TPU piece, and it's a little too tight around the hand grip there. It was actually gripping it up, so when you'd like release it, it wouldn't actually return proper. So I put the new thinner piece on there, and that's the washers kind of going in there. We used more than that to actually make it work. There it is. You can see there's probably like 8 or so washers in there. And yeah, now it returns like it should, and it should keep the rain out, so hopefully it keeps it from freezing. And I hope that helps if you have a frozen cable.